Picture of a toilet roll paper. Assume that the paper and the roll is very tightly rolled. Assuming that the paper and the roll is very thin, find a relationship between the thickness of the paper, the inner and outer radii of the roll, and the length of paper in the roll. Express your answers as an algebraic formula involving the four listed variables. So I wrote the four listed variables, and the constant variable I used was the top of the area of the top of the toilet roll paper. So the first formula I made was pi r, or capital R squared, which is the whole circle, minus pi lowercase r squared, which is the inner circle. That way we can find this, the top of the toilet roll paper. So, and then the other two variables we have is the thickness of paper and the length of the paper. So I unraveled it. I unraveled the toilet roll paper, and just from the top view, the thickness times the length equals the top of the toilet, the area of the top of the toilet roll paper. So I concluded that the second formula was the thickness times the length of the toilet roll paper equals A. So now I simplify the first formula into pi. The pi was in both variables, so I took the pi out in the parentheses, and I put capital R squared minus lowercase r squared, and both of them equal A. So I plugged them into each other. Pi, parentheses, capital R squared minus lowercase r squared equals thickness times length of the toilet paper.